Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this great collage runner, or this great collage runner, and this great collage runner. Join me. Here are the supplies you need to make your collage runner. You'll need the pattern from the quilting company, a small print for the bottom, and a background fabric. You'll also need a fat quarter of a large print and 2 to 3 fat quarters of medium-sized prints. You'll need light Steam-A-Seam 2 according to the fabric and pattern requirements, and Karen K. Buckley blue scissors. Why Karen K. Buckley blue scissors? Well, they're the best. Why? They have one serrated blade. The serrated blade helps to grip your fabric as you're cutting around your motifs. They have soft and comfortable handles, and they cut right to the tip. Sew your small print to your background. Press the seam open, but it will be hidden by your collage. Fuse the Steam-A-Seam 2 light to your fat quarters. Cut several flowers. Use different colors and different shapes and sizes. I added feathers to mine. Have fun placing your flowers. Remove the paper backing as you go. Remember to alternate layers. Most flowers will be in front of another and behind a different one. Use color and shape to break up most straight lines. Because Steam-A-Seam 2 light is repositionable, you can play as much as you want. I used the feathers to add some visual excitement. Flowers could have worked too. When your collage is done, press with a medium hot steam iron. Layer with batting and backing and quilt as you like. I did free motion on the background and stitched around the flowers in the collage. I had so much fun, I decided to try it with our lavender market border print. Here's the border print. You'll need to buy the length of the finished size of runner you want to make. Put Steam-A-Seam 2 light on the back of one strip of your border print. You can use the other strips for a fun, easy striped table runner or our Hexi Plus 60-degree striped table runner. You can see which part of the border I used for this runner. I bought the stripe and sewed it to the printed background. Then I cut my border print off at the purple line and then loosely cut around the top of the border design. I've labeled the purple line and the cutting line so you can see. Here's a close-up of my border stripe on the background. You can barely see where one meets the other, except where the background motifs are covered. The purple line is a raw edge, but you can't even tell. It covers the seam line between the background and the stripe. I quilted a crosshatch over the whole runner. Here's another one I did. Why bother sewing a bottom to the background? Why not just use the whole border stripe? So I did. I put Steam-A-Seam 2 light on the border stripe and fused it to the background. No piecing involved. I loosely cut around the flowers again. it's really important to pick a matching background fabric. This was my cutting line. Why not use a beautiful Christmas fabric? I could easily cut around these poinsettias and fuse them to a beautiful white background. Or how about this beauty, hydrangeas? Again, if I match my background fabric, it's a super easy project to do. And it doesn't need to be white. Look at this Jason Yenter border print. This isn't quite the right black background. I didn't have one at home. But if I found a perfect black background, I could cut around this border strip and simply fuse it onto the background. Thank you for joining me for How Tuesday at Lori's Country Cottage. I hope you'll try making a collage runner, either by traditional collage or by using a border stripe.